Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope that things are fantastic with you. We're going to be drawing Mimikyu, which is a Pokemon card, and he actually looks pretty cool in this. I don't know. So I wanted to like change up the ears a little bit, as you can see. And yeah, that's going to be something we're going to do. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. All right, so to start off, guys, this wonderful thing that we're going to do is the head. Now, it's just going to be 3 lines that end up like looking something like this. It's pretty simple, I guess you would say. We're just going to leave those lines open, though. And then draw the ears. The ears are a little floppy, right? Like, they flop around a little bit, and that's kind of because his ears are not actual real ears. They're just a costume. They're kind of messed up, actually. Like, he tries to make himself look like Pikachu, but, that's just what it is. So for these eyes, guys, just make a shape that looks something like this. And for the other side too, it's just a little bigger, I guess you would say, but make these 2 shapes, because what we're going to do is we're going to actually fill them in, and fill it in with something that isn't going to be like, something that you can erase, right? Like, over here, don't use something permanent, because we need to erase little dots inside of it, right? So that it looks like it's the eye, kind of like that. So, if you're going to use a pencil, I guess you would say, just don't darken it too much, and then just erase it, and then it looks just like that, which is kind of cool. Alright, so now let's just put a smile on that face. The smile is a little squiggle, right? Like, it's a little squiggle, and it's kind of creepy, but, it's a little thick, right? It's like, it's kind of like that. And then what you're going to do is fill it in just like the other thing we did, and that's good. And then what you can do is do the cheeks, but I'm doing it in a different color so you guys can see that, because it's going to be, the mouth is going to pass through it a little bit. So these are just like markers, right? Like it looks like he just did marker on there. If you could just copy that shape, it'll be good, and then you're good to go. So then now we could do the body. There's just going to be like a little bump right there, and then you can kind of just do the rest of the body like that. He's just bending his neck, right? He's bending his neck, and that's why it looks like that. And then you have the bottom of it, which is kind of just like these little spiky, I guess, nest to it, like it's a spikiness to it, but it's really just the end of his costume. So if you can just do that, all should be good. Great. So now what you can do is draw the actual eyes. These are the real eyes, they're real. He's kind of cool. And then this part right here, this is just more spikiness to it, but I think that's his actual body, right? Like, I'm not actually sure, but it is darker than like the actual costume. So do these spikinesses, and yeah, we should be good to go from there. Alright guys, almost done. So now we got the tail. The tail is just a wooden thing. Start off with this shape, and then from there, you're gonna have to do like these little it's like the Pikachu kind of like zigzag, but it's easy if you take it like one step at a time. So just freeze the video if you need to. And then the lines and a curve. These are what make Mimikyu's tail look like the way it does. And then draw the line up there for the ear, guys, because I kind of forgot to do that. And you do it with the other one too. And then that's it. This is Mimikyu, and I hope that it was super helpful, or at least somewhat helpful, and I hope that you were able to do something with it, guys. Let me know if this was good, if you guys were able to do something with this. I hope that, you guys were able to smile in some way, shape, or form, that things were great, right? I appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you so much. Let me know what you did. Let me know how it went, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. You guys are awesome. Bye.